Here we are on days 3 and 4 of the coastal bedroom makeover, and we're getting closer. We made the huge mistake of not taking inventory of this metal daybed frame from Amazon, and we are missing 5 non-structural pieces. So we've got to figure that out later, but we got it up. And next up was designing this micro entertainment center that will house her record player, her fireplace, and it will have some cubbies on the side to hold some other decor items that were under her loft bed, and we obviously lost that space, so we're trying to maximize storage here. This is a really easy way to do it. If you have a pocket hole jig and you have a brad nailer, I think this took like 35 minutes to put together after I had everything cut and planned out. So really easy way to build custom pieces. It's lightweight. You have to stick around to see how we decide to finish this, and the room is almost done.